Welcome to week 18 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks and then use those 3 NFL picks to make a parlay. I show my stats from week to week, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment required. So if you want to get some free Bitcoin and you make some NFL predictions, please use the Ember app that I have linked in the description. And so far in the year, I'm 45 and 23. I've won $263.57 and I've lost $101.20. My first pick is the Cincinnati Bengals over the Cleveland Browns. The Bengals have been putting up points from week to week, and I think they do the same thing this week. I think they've started really weak. This is just hurting their draft position, but Joe Burrow doesn't care and wants to light everybody up. Next is the Houston Texans over the Indianapolis Colts. The Colts haven't won a game in a long time at this point, and they're going to be playing a third-string quarterback. The Texans have the best defense in the league, and I'd be surprised if the Colts even scored more than 10 points. And my last pick is the Denver Broncos over the Los Angeles Chargers. Now, normally I wouldn't pick a game which would be this close, but the Chargers are going to be playing their backup quarterback, Trey Lance, who really isn't all that good. I don't see this being close, and I think Denver wraps up the number 1 seed. Which means I have a parlay of the Houston Texans, the Cincinnati Bengals, and the Denver Broncos, betting 5,000 sats to win 8,121. And I'll be back next week with updated stats and playoff picks. See you then.